Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add checkboxes to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So that way if you want to have some selectable checkboxes that somebody could check to answer yes or no or true or false or whatever, you could add those pretty easily. So in this example here we're doing a little true or false survey here, and so we want to have checkboxes for each one of these cells so they could put true or false to each one of these items here, and then I'm going to show you something a little different you could do in this column here when we're done. So to get these checkboxes, just select the cells you want to add them to. Go to Data, Data Validation. Change this from List from Arrange to Checkbox. And then just click on Save. And now you have checkboxes there, and they could check true or false to either one of them. That type of thing. And then over here, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to use one of the other options. So we're going to do the same thing where we select the cells. Data validation, checkbox, but this time we're going to do custom cells for yes for checked and no for unchecked. And then if you want to have invalid data, only show a warning or reject the input, you could choose that so they can't put the wrong answer. If you use this one here, they'll get a warning that their input is invalid. If you do this one, then it'll reject what they enter. So we're going to click on Save here. So put some checkboxes. So we're going to check I like pizza, this is a good video, and I like Google Sheets. So it looks like it just put checkboxes, but if you click in the box, it shows you what the answer is, yes or no. So it's just kind of another way of doing that. So once again, select your cells, data, data validation, checkboxes here, and then you could just use the checkbox, or you could do custom cell values like we did here for yes or no, true or false, whatever you like to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.